Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. My name is Lucia. I'm very happy that you click on this video and hopefully you will like it and enjoy it. Today I would like to test out something new for me. I haven't seen anyone talking about it, and when I was ordering from MORPHE website, I just saw it and I thought to myself, oh, I want to try it. And this is the Art Obsession brow kit by the MORPHE. It's 5 pieces brow kit, including micro brow pencil, brow cream, brow setting gel, highlighter stick, and it has a brush, M158 angle liner, and spoolie brush. To be honest, some of these things I'm not using in my normal routine, so it will be also fun for me to try something new. But I really wanted to know what is the quality of the products and if it's really worth it, because I mean, the price of this whole entire kit was 22 euros. I mean, if you're gonna buy every single piece of this set individually, it's gonna cost you around 37 euros. So if you're gonna buy the whole set, you will save 15 euros, which I thought it's very interesting. And I mean, 22 euros for 5 piece, I think it's quite good. I got mine in a shade biscotti. By the way, this set is coming in 7 shades, which you can pick yours, and it's biscotti, hazelnut, almond, latte, mocha, java, I guess, and chocolate mousse. But only 2 of these products are coming in the shade that you will pick, and this will be the micro brow pencil and brow cream or pomade. I just want to quickly mention that I have no product in my eyebrows right now. There is only microblading, which is like almost 1 year old, and it's already starting to fade out and it's looking a little bit patchy. So right now I'm just like giving up on it, and I'm just trying to fix it by some product. So this is a good try now. This is what we are working with. So shall we try? So I will quickly open this box and see what's inside. I haven't opened it before, so let's go and see. Okay, so these are all the products that you will get inside: pomade, eyebrow gel, spoolie, and the brush. This is the highlighter or concealer, or I guess, and this is the micro brow pencil. Let me just grab my mirror and put it closer to me. I hope you will not mind it here. Okay, I think I would start with the pomade, and I will take this brush out. So let me just take my MAC eyebrow brush and let me just compare. As you can see, the MAC has shorter bristles and it's a little bit more angled. Generally, I would say it's smaller than the MORPHE one, so I don't know how the application will be, but we will try. And I will go and apply the pomade just on this side of the eyebrows, but I like that it has a spoolie on the other hand because it's very practical. Okay, so I think it's not so bad. It's not this kind of like a dry pomade like the one from L'Oreal, I think, which I don't like, so this is a good thing. Now for this part of my eyebrows, I don't want to be very blocky or too unnatural, so I will take the pencil. Okay, it looks gray. Let's see. Okay, no, it's just have a weird layer, but it's really nice. It's so sharp. It's really micro brow pencil. It's very similar to the one from NYX. It's not too soft that you can easily put too much product in your eyebrows, so this is something that I really like. Very easy to do this hair-like strokes. What I like to do, I just pull my hair down so I can see all the gaps that needs to be filled. You know, with the microblading under is not easy to... It doesn't give you a lot of options what you can do. So it's a little bit funny when I say I want my eyebrows to look natural, but well, hey ho, there is no way back. Then I like to go to this down part and just define the shape of my eyebrows. And I will brush the eyebrows a little bit, put them in a place. And this is what I basically do. You can see that eyebrow is a little bit more messy, and this one hopefully has more defined shape now. So far, so good. Now I'm going to use the highlighter / concealer. So first of all, okay, so for those who are looking for something with a yellow undertone, you are lucky. For those who are not, sorry, because this one is coming in every single brow kit. No matter what shade you are choosing, it's always going to be this one. I don't usually do it, so I'm just guessing that you should put it under your eyebrows to maybe hide some mistakes and give the more definition, which I'm not usually going for, but anyway. I'm just gonna test it out today because, you know guys, if you will be buying, you wanna know. So I just wanna tell you that. I wanna give you this information, you know, before you spend your money there. I will take any brush that I have on hand. It really has this yellow undertone. I just wanna say that I think this shade on people with really fair skin, it will be just too dark for them. I feel like it's dark for me already, and I don't have such fair skin, so keep that in mind. I don't really think that it gives necessarily some highlighted effect there, so it's only me. I don't like this kind of products. I'm not using them. I'm not saying this one is bad, just, you know, you will always get the same shade. It might not match you, so just remember that. And the last thing I want to try is the brow gel, and it says it's translucent. One side, the bristles on the brush are long, but up on the other side they are very, very short. Doesn't have any fibers or anything to make your eyebrows looks thicker. Literally, it's just to put them in place. I will twist this brush for the shorter bristles and I will see what it does. It actually applies more product, and I feel like it's nicer to use it in front. Let me finish the second eyebrow and I will come back to you, and then we will discuss all this. So this is how it looks like. You know, this kind of shade over here, it's just my microblading that, you know, I have to go over it because it's there. I cannot ignore it. This layer is a little bit different because there are actual hair, so this is not the fault of the products that I tried today. It's just my microblading, so ignore that. I think it looks pretty good. I'm really satisfied with it. So yeah, good. This pomade, which I already said the shade is not completely my shade, but I think if I combined it with something else I could use it. It's not that bad. It's not a type of dry pomade, which I don't like dry pomades, so I guess this is a good point. I think I will start to use pomades again. If you really are the person who really like the definition there, you want it neat and clean, I think with this pomade you can definitely do it. The microbrow pencil I can only recommend. It's very good product, very easy to use. I think if you are a beginner you will really appreciate it because you will not go wrong very fast, you know, you cannot overdo it easily. So if you like precision in your eyebrows, I think this is very affordable choice. This brow setting gel, because it's clear, and don't get me wrong, it will keep your hair in place, but my problem is that I really have a lot of blonde hair in my eyebrows and I just want to cover it. This would be the only reason why I don't like it, but in the same time, because it's clear, more people could use it. It's not the question of the shade that you will get. So if you have the eyebrows that you don't need to color, you don't need any tint, it's a good one, I would say. Okay, so this product is something that I usually don't reach for, and only for that reason I think I will not use it anymore. My skin is not so light, but it's already dark for me, and it has a very strong, I would say, yellow undertone, so this is another reason why I'm not gonna use that again. And the last thing that I'm not completely satisfied with is this brush, and it's just because I already have one from MAC. I prefer this much more because it's more dense. I feel like I can control it better, but if you don't have any, I think this is a good one as well. It works. You can work with it, definitely, and I really like that it has nice big spool. You can brush your hair or you can brush out the excess product. So I did a little bit of math and I counted only the items that I liked from the kit, and that was a pomade, brush and pencil, and it would all cost me, if I buy it individually, 21 euros. So I mean, you get the whole set for 22 euros, and well, you can try and see for yourself, you know. So I don't think it's a big loss to get the whole set. At the end of the day, it's you to decide and you to know what you like and what you are going for.